In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Jobber in just a few minutes. Whether you're a business owner navigating your day-to-day or a new team member, this guide will help you smoothly set up your account. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up your web browser and navigate over to the Jobber website. This is your starting point, where everything begins with just a few clicks. Once you're there, you'll have the option to start a free trial or choose one of the subscription plans that best fit your business needs. It's a great opportunity to explore Jobber's capabilities without commitment, giving you a feel for the platform's functionality. Next, you'll be prompted to provide your email address and create a password. Make sure to use an email you check regularly, as Jobber will send important information and updates there. Choose a secure password to keep your account safe. It's your gateway to managing everything, so it's worth taking a moment to get it right. Once that's set up, you'll complete the initial setup by entering your name, phone number, and company information. This basic info helps Jobber tailor its services to you and your business, setting the stage for a personalized experience and better client interactions. Now that you've kicked things off, it's time to access the Settings section, where you can customize various aspects of your Jobber account. This area is your control center for all settings, allowing you to tweak them so Jobber works precisely how you need it to. Part of this customization process is adding your logo and personalizing your Jobber interface. Make it yours by aligning how Jobber looks with your brand's appearance, reinforcing the professional image you present to clients. If you have team members, you can go ahead and add them next. Manage their permissions and roles based on their jobs, empowering each person to do their best work while ensuring security and privacy for sensitive information. Moving on, customize your route settings, notifications, and other account-specific preferences. These settings help ensure your operations run smoothly and that you never miss crucial updates or reminders. You can also configure your email templates, text message settings, and automated reminders. Personalization is key here. Set a consistent tone with clients and keep your team informed with streamlined communication. Finally, set up your work types, job durations, and other preferences. Establishing these details early on saves time later and eliminates confusion, allowing you and your team to stay focused on delivering excellent service. There you have it. Your Jobber account is ready to go. With these settings in place, you're now equipped to efficiently manage your business operations and deliver top-notch service to your clients. Thank you for watching and happy working.